In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a parallel channel in TradingView, a valuable skill for technical traders and analysts alike. Whether you are new to trading or just seeking to sharpen your charting skills, drawing parallel channels is an essential technique for identifying potential market trends and price movements. To begin, open TradingView on your computer and navigate to your desired chart. Make sure you've logged into your account and selected the asset you want to analyze. Once your chart is ready, let's move on to the next step. Direct your attention to the left side of your screen, where you'll find tools and charting options. Look for the trendline tools, which are crucial for creating lines that can aid in visualizing support and resistance levels on your chart. Click on the trendline tools icon to expand the drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll need to select Parallel Channel. This tool is designed specifically for drawing channels that help in recognizing patterns and predicting future price movements. Selecting this option will prepare you to start plotting your channel on the chart. Next, focus on the section of your chart where you plan to begin drawing the channel. You'll be identifying two key points that represent the initial trend line. Click on the chart to mark your first point, then drag to your second point to draw the main trend line. Be sure to encompass the price range you want to analyze. Once your trend line is in place, it's time to create the parallel channel. You'll need to drag the parallel line above or below your trend line, depending on the direction of the trend. The idea is to set these boundaries parallel to your original line, encompassing the price action in between. With the parallel channel drawn, make any necessary adjustments to ensure both parallel lines are accurately capturing the trend. This may involve shifting the trend line slightly or expanding the channel to better fit the data. After drawing the channel, take a moment to review your chart. Ensure that your channel aligns with significant highs and lows, which helps in validating its relevance to the current market conditions. This review process is crucial to ensuring the channel's accuracy. Once satisfied with your parallel channel, you can repeat the process as needed, especially if you wish to draw additional channels or refine existing ones. Practicing this method will greatly improve your charting abilities and provide deeper insights into market movements. Remember, drawing parallel channels can enhance your technical analysis toolkit, offering a clearer view of potential opportunities and risks in the market. With continued practice, you'll become more confident in your ability to interpret trading charts effectively. Thank you for watching and happy trading.